I'm Nick with Fire Wrangler, and today we're cooking over cowboy charcoal. We're about to make the best mojo chicken you've ever had in your life. Let's get started. In order to get this chicken going, we have to marinate it. You gotta marinate it quite a while. I actually like to marinate it overnight. So we gotta mix up that marinade right now. So we're using some orange juice and some lemon juice, some lemon zest, a little bit of orange zest, and some lime zest. We're going heavy on the citrus today. Oregano, some cumin, black pepper, kosher salt. I like to use the thick stuff when I'm marinating. Some olive oil, a few heads of garlic, I like to crush them before, and some diced onion. We're gonna take this mixture, throw it in the blender, get it all mixed up. We're gonna pour it over our chicken quarters and get them marinating. Right, the chicken's been marinating for a while. Like you said, we blended it up, threw it in there. It's been in the refrigerator really overnight. And you really want all that time for those flavors to come together, for them to kind of mix up. Because if not, they all stay separated and it gets a little liquidy. The longer they're in the marinade, the more creamy it gets, which actually coats the chicken and stays on the chicken when we go over the live fire. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these out. You do not need to pat these dry. We want all that flavor to stay on the chicken. And the reason being is we're not actually seasoning this chicken any more than what was already in the marinade. The aroma coming off that, I know it sounds weird with raw chicken, but the aroma coming off that with the citrus is absolutely outstanding. When you get it on the wood over here, it's gonna be even better. So again, we're cooking with Cowboy today, and I'm opting to use some mesquite chunks. And the reason being is because on a long cook, mesquite can get a little overpowering, but this is only gonna take about 35 to 45 minutes at about 350 degrees over the live fire behind us. So we're putting some mesquite in that fire. Mojo chicken's going on that grill. We're gonna start with skin side up. We'll flip it about halfway through, keep flipping back and forth to make sure we get an even color. Now here's the part when it's up to you. On a Santa Maria grill, we can move that meat up and down away from the fire or closer to the fire. So if you like your chicken to be a little smokier, go ahead and move it further up. It's gonna take just a few more minutes to cook, but you'll pick up more of that mesquite smoke. If you don't like as much smoke, go ahead and put it closer to the fire. It'll be a lot quicker cook. And now we wait. I can't wait to tear into this mojo chicken. The smell is absolutely outstanding. The color, the appearance, the color we're getting off that charcoal and off that wood is just off the charts. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it off and see how we did. One of the neatest things about cooking chicken quarters is they're very, very forgiving. So normally you want to take chicken to 165, but because these leg quarters are on a bone, you can actually take them up to 175, 185 even, and they get more and more tender the longer you cook them. So you got a lot of time to play around with them and make sure that they're exactly where you want them to be. They're very forgiving, and obviously they turn out beautiful. Not only is this meal unbelievably simple, but it's got some flavors that are just mind-blowingly good. That lemon, that lime, that orange, the acid, the zest in it, it's all super bright flavors. You get some of that fat from that chicken that really balances it out. And it's also very, very, very easy. I can't even tell you how good this looks right now, and I wish you could smell how good it smells. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that is the kind of tray that gets me excited. And I'll tell you right now, I am so ready to dive into this mesquite smoked mojo chicken. Look how tender and juicy that is right there. That is a citrus flavor bomb if I've ever had one. Again, I'm Nick with Fire Wrangler. If you like this recipe, you can check this out and more at cowboycharcoal.com. And as always, keep cooking with Cowboy.